So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on restore default settings for this plan. And then click on yes. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic and click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it's going to fix it for you. See if that works. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in change screensaver. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure you have an actual screensaver selected, and then click on apply and click on OK. If you're using a custom screensaver that is not on this list, then you want to select a different screensaver, click on apply, and then you want to go back to none, click on apply and click on OK. Then you want to enable your custom screensaver. See if that works for you. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now once the scan's been completed, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.